If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm super happy to introduce you to, I've got two sizes, the Yjona bag by Sewing Arts. So I made up one of each size. This is the little Yjona and this is the regular Yjona. This one is itty bitty cute. This one is the perfect everyday bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So this is great for accenting a print or a solid color or what have you with the accents of a solid vinyl. It has this really interesting zipper over top that goes side to side. Some great edge coating highlights on here as well. On the inside, I have done a large slip pocket as well as a zipper pocket. But you can see, it's a pretty roomy bag. It's pretty good. Let me show you the little one. So the little one is really little. This would be an awesome mommy and me set. So again, this one I've done in glitter vinyls. And when you open this one up, this one, I don't have a slip pocket on it because it's so tiny, but I do have a zipper pocket on it. Such a unique and adorable set. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you later.